Welcome back to Andro Indian. Today, we delve into a fundamental pillar of project excellence, the distinction between leadership and authority. In the world of project management, these terms are often used interchangeably, but understanding their difference is key to building an empowered culture. Authority is positional. It's the power granted by the organization to make decisions, allocate resources, and expect compliance. While authority is necessary for governance and accountability, relying on it alone can limit a team's potential to mere obedience. Leadership, however, is personal. It's the ability to influence others through trust, vision, and empathy, regardless of one's formal title. True leaders inspire their teams to go beyond their job descriptions, fostering innovation and a shared sense of purpose. Think of it this way: authority says go, while leadership says let's go. One demands results, the other inspires them. In a project environment, especially under PMP standards, we need a balance of both to manage performance domains effectively. When authority supports leadership, we create an empowered culture where every team member feels accountable and valued. This synergy is vital for strategies like Shift Left, where leadership encourages early quality ownership across the entire team. Remember, authority is about being accountable for the final outcome, but leadership is about making everyone feel responsible for the journey. Authority can be given overnight with a promotion, but leadership must be earned through consistent action and integrity. In the Indian context, where relationship building is paramount, leading with empathy often yields better results than just exercising authority. Building trust is the currency of leadership. Without it, authority is just a hollow shell of power that teams eventually resist. However, we shouldn't dismiss authority. Effective governance requires clear phase gates and criteria that authority helps enforce. The most successful project managers at Andro Indian are those who master the delicate balance between these two forces. Authority makes the hard calls during a crisis, but leadership ensures the team is resilient enough to handle those calls. A visionary project manager uses authority to clear obstacles and leadership to guide the team toward the goal. This leads to sustainable success and long-term value delivery, aligning with global standards of professional excellence. To summarize, first, strive to lead with influence and earn the respect of your peers and subordinates. Second, use your authority wisely to provide structure, safety, and clear governance for your projects. By combining both, you become more than just a manager. You become a catalyst for growth and excellence. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more project management insights. Share your thoughts in the comments. How do you balance leadership and authority? Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.